Okay, this is just an announcement. First and foremost, thank you most high for another day. I just wanted to put this information out. I guess I'm doing a testing 1, 2, 3 as well. I ran into some information. I just saw a post from a sister in regards to webcams, and I thought I would just try to go into this information. Maybe I'm not totally understanding exactly how they would go about doing this, but they are doing away with so-called webcams, based on the computers or whatever. So I just want to see, if you all can maybe make some sense of this information. But based on class, I'm still going to go through with the classes on Google Hangouts. I don't know if it's going to affect Google Hangouts because I know that you have to go through your YouTube channel to go through with the live feed. So I'm not sure if it's all connected or not. Some of the stuff doesn't make sense to me, but that's why I thought I would go into this information and see if you all can make some sense of this information. So let me pull up what I read. Okay, it says YouTube help. Okay, it looks like this is a right here where I'm looking at the website. The link looks legit. So it says use webcam to record video. The webcam capture feature will not be available on YouTube after January 16, 2016. So that's already passed. And it says previously, if you had a webcam built in or connected to your computer, you could record a webcam video on YouTube and upload it directly to the site. This feature will be turned off because it is rarely used as it built on technology that is no longer supported. Alternatives to webcam capture, you can use software on your computer to record and save a webcam video and then upload the video to YouTube. Popular software includes Photo Booth on Mac OS X and Camera for Windows 8. If you have another OS, I don't even know what OS means, so you all can, what is that? You may need to look up how to record videos using your webcam by referencing your device manual or searching online. If you have an iOS or Android phone, I know what an Android is. You can record videos with your phone's cameras and upload them with YouTube apps. Okay, yeah. Well, I'm just putting this information out just in case, there's a few people that join the class. So what I will have to do is maybe when I get the funds too, I can probably have to get an actual camcorder. Those things are pretty expensive for me based on my budget. So I'm just putting that information out. If I have to, I'll just go ahead and upload the actual, the classes, I guess the old school way from, as it says, alternative webcam capture. You can use software on your computer, which means you can actually have software, which I do have. I have software on this computer that I can use to upload videos as well. So I didn't want to take that route because I like to do a live feed, but we'll see. So I'm just putting this information out. It looked like it's working correctly right now. So I'm not sure exactly what's the deal on who or how it will affect. Because I already know that there's an issue of me trying to use YouTube. Let me see if it shows. Let me see something here. Well, it doesn't show. But it seems like it's working fine now. If you all can view this right now, everything seems like it's fine on my end. I can get into some more information in regards to that storm that came through here. It's amazing. It's pretty. It's a good little amount of it. Not good little. It's a great amount of snow. I'm actually a little drowsy under the weather a little bit because I did a lot of work. I'm not, used to digging out, just to walk. It's one thing to shovel snow. It's another thing to dig yourself away from an area so you can walk. So, it is what it is. How it is. Some different muscles you have to, work. And I'm up here. That's how I know I'm 40. So it's pretty funny. I was sitting there thinking, like, I'm in the house, the Most High blessed me to, to get enough food before there was a big crowd of people that, jam packed the stores. There's the issue is I noticed that the stores were pretty empty a little way earlier before the storm even actually got close to hitting. Like it was almost like a pre-planned for them to have the stores halfway empty, which was pretty weird. I didn't understand that. So I kind of understand, they want to do beta tests in certain areas to see how people react to a catastrophe or a certain, what you would say. I believe a lot of this stuff is false flags, like a lot of these storms that come through here, because they were chemtrailing like crazy, before the storm even hit. So they know how to direct certain things. I mean, that's just the way they do it, so. But all in all, this thing looked like it's working fine. Thank the Most High for for the one viewer that I have here. And I would like to thank, since I'm on here, I'm, just, fiddling around with the computer to make sure it's working correctly for Wednesday class. Yeah. I just want to thank you all, the subscribers, that subscribe to this channel, and, support, this channel and, this work. I mean, it's a tough work. It's a dangerous situation too. When you put your face out on the internet, speaking truth, and you're doing the reverse of what others do when it comes down to living your life a certain way, and you're viewed as a target. Okay, so that's what they're doing now. I mean, of course, some of us probably don't understand that actually exists, but I would like people to do is do some research on a title called COINTELPRO. Can I write that real quick? But anyway, you can look that up. They do have certain people names blacklisted. They get neighbors involved, roommates, whoever involved in this for money. They don't know the reason why. They're just plebs and pawns. They don't know why they're actually watching this particular person based on a lie. But like I said, I don't want to turn this video or live feed into that. But I just wanted to come up here and make sure all of the vitals on the computer is working fine, and going to various topics. But mainly the main topic was class announcements. I want to make sure that the people that joined, the brothers and sisters, just a few, is only probably about 4 or 5 of them that joined the class. And that's another thing. Let me just say this. It's not about how many in number. If it was just one person, I would have made this video. So I'm not really concerned about how many people that want to join the classes. It's not even about that. So, but basically, based on this, we see that it's working. So, I wanted to put this out there for those of you that are, that join the class. Everything seemed like it's working fine. If not, before Wednesday, I will send out some information and email to you all to let you all know that I will probably have to pre-record the lessons first on my hard drive and then send it out that way. If not, I'll definitely find other ways to do it. So don't get discouraged or whatever. I'll definitely find different ways to do it. So I'm I know how to improvise very well. Okay, so there you have it. I'm out of here. This is a quick little video. Thank you all for the support again, and the viewership that I have here, which is pretty good. It's not that many. I'm not looking for a bunch of subscribers and a bunch of views and all that. That's enough headache. I have enough headache for based on the amount of subscribers and video views that I get now. So I can just imagine other brothers and sisters that push a little more, that get more viewership than I do. You see what I'm saying? So there you have it. I'm out of here. I may make another video in regards to something else. Who knows? I'm in the house. I don't know how long I'm gonna have to be in here. They didn't plow the streets or nothing in the neighborhood. So whatever's clever. All right. Shalom.